Little square body update on the build process. I got the engine out last night, pulled the motor and trans together, and got that out of there, and drive shaft's out. So now I'm getting ready to pull this rear axle because we have a new one. Well, bought a used 12-bolt positive put in here, and the rear axle shop has had it for 2 months. They claim it's gonna be ready tomorrow. Got the trans picked up from the guy. So the built 400 turbo trans, just totally beefed up, ready to go in there. Got it all gunked down a while ago and pressure washed. So now I gotta come in here and sand this down a little bit and prime it and paint it. All in all, she's pretty good. That's a bolt for the spare tire hanger. It's pretty good shape. The body is rust free. I mean, just look at this. Look how impressive that is. Look at that. See that? Isn't it pretty? So, getting ready to take all this stuff right here off. Got all new stuff going on. Lowered coil springs, new spindles, bigger brakes. All that's coming off. Got the Hydro Boost booster and master cylinder to feed front and rear disc brakes. This is coming off, going with a quick ratio steering box. So when I got this 496 wound up, roasting the back tires, doing some fishtailing, I won't have to turn the wheel as much. Got all the body panels loaded on the trailer for getting ready to go to the body shop. So totally took everything off the front end, all the harness, everything out. Left the headlight bucket, so yeah, I gotta get the horn and that round thing. It's not going to body shop till Monday, but I had to load it when I had some help because I don't have any help. I don't have any friends. I get about 20 minutes every other week from one guy, and my son's helped me twice on this truck. Once to I think both times put the motor in it. I think, yeah. Yeah, he haven't put the motor in. No, he's helped me work on it. Not put the motor in it, but he's helped me work on it. So, some guy had the motor in it, had it running, and some guy bought it. So now we're down here without the motor. But anyway, as you can see, this bed is in great shape. I was really pleased when I took the bed liner out. There's no rust in there. Look how beautiful that is. I have the body shop probably paint this bed back to its original factory condition, and hopefully he'll put these wheel tubs in. Turns out I couldn't do it. I unbolted the wheel tubs, but that piece has to be cut out and moved over 3 inches and re-welded. And my nephew's the welder, and he said no. So I'm hoping the body shop will do it. If the body shop won't do it, then we can't go with bigger tubs, which means we can't run fatter tires, which means that big block will never hook up. So yeah, there's the update on all that. So she should look pretty good when we get these pieces back from the body shop. Hopefully I drop these off, get them painted, then I take the rolling chassis up there and have it done, the cab part, and then bring it back and put it all together, and then I'll assemble it myself. I went and bought some junk off Facebook Marketplace the other day, which was a great find, a working tailgate with all the stuff. The fenders here are not cut, still has the chrome moldings because those fenders on that red truck down there have been cut. But plus, this bottle, that's why this one has a light. Look at that light right there. That's going to be going on my gray truck. This was a loaded down truck. And that one still has the windshield washer fluid bottle on it, which doesn't leak. And mine on the gray truck leaks. This is a power window door. So I'll take and rob all the guts out of it and put on my gray truck. And I have a wiring harness for the passenger door. So now I just need to find the donors and get the internals for that. And all these parts here lined up to sell. I'm actually going to keep that bumper though. Yeah, starting to look like a junkyard around here, right? But we'll get her cleaned up. We'll get this truck build done. We'll get her cleaned up, and life be back to normal. And then maybe we can start on that boat down there one day. So that is the ongoing project, which this is a huge project, probably the biggest project I've ever done. I don't know if I've ever actually torn one down to this level and put it back. So this is my first real live build. And you would think my son would help me with it because he liked those father-son truck projects, at least he talked about as a child. But yeah, he wants no part of it. So it's just me, you know. I pulled the motor myself, myself, pulled the front clip. Like I said, a girlfriend helped me pull the front clip. Pulled the bed myself with a cherry picker. I got the boys over here to help me put it on the trailer today because it's a little bit more difficult. And I'll get them to help me take it back off the trailer when it comes back from the body shop. Oh, and I've been doing this job by myself. I may have to have help putting that big block back in there because it's a gravel driveway. And the cherry picker does not work very well together. So I may have to have help with the tractor to put the big block back in its hole. And then once I get the big block all assembled with all its accessories, then I'll put the front clip on, stab the radiator in it, and get the air conditioner and everything going again. Somebody probably already complained about this being open. We're going to replace this anyway. I will be taping it up because I probably got water in there. But replacing this, I think that's really all you have to do is replace that. I got a brand new compressor. I don't think anything here goes bad, really. It might, I think of what they call that, evaporator core, but I don't know. But anyway, there's it on that, guys. Thanks for watching the progress. Jesus. Thanks for watching the progress on the square body build. I think it's going to be a nice driver when I get it done. So there's the update on that. See ya.